Like the notes before, the Samsung Galaxy Note 5 is a 5.7-inch stunner, but it's a little more svelte, shinier, and has an increased build quality that's easy to see in its carefully shaped aluminum edges. The new device is actually 1 mm thinner than the Note 4. As for the shine, the back's no longer textured plastic. Instead, it's made with Gorilla Glass 4, like the Samsung Galaxy S6 or S6 Edge before it. The Note 5's backplate is also not flat, a little more arced, like the S6 Edge. The Note 5 has done away with the micro SD slot. Nevertheless, there are two storage model variants of this device, a 32GB and a 64GB option. As for the processor, the Note 5 comes with Samsung's own impressively fast Exynos 7420 octa-core. The Note 5 comes with an upgraded fancy and functional stylus. It actually pops out and slides out of the phone upon click. Samsung has its standard memo apps, but in 2015 it's still making a lot of us wonder why anyone needs a pen. It's amazingly accurate, nevertheless, and it makes your penmanship look like George Washington's. And despite many noting issues with putting the stylus pen back in backwards, we never broke the Note 5 inserting the stylus pen in backwards. Just use common sense. The 16 megapixel rear camera on the Note 5 is exactly the same as that of the S6, and it also has the ability to shoot 4K. Therefore, it's spectacular. Like the S6, double tapping the home button opens up the camera, as well as swiping up from the block screen. There's something to be said for the enjoyment factor of shooting photos and video on the Note 5. Those luscious 5.7 inches of AMOLED make previewing shots and recording video just beautiful, vibrant, and just spectacular, really. You just won't find the same thing on a 5.1-inch display. The Note 5 comes with Android Lollipop 5.11 and the most recent Samsung TouchWiz software skin. Since TouchWiz's features have been pared down, it's really enjoyable to use. AT&T also throws in Flipboard on their Note 5 on the far left home screen. It's a nice widget for morning news consumption and I've never had a problem with it. The Note 5 is a new feature, wireless charging. It's a much slower chore though, especially with the 3000 mAh battery. But the Note 5 also comes with quick charge technology, which allows it to fully charge in 2 hours with Samsung's provided fast charger, or in 1 hour from 50%. The Note 5 is the most incredible phablet we've reviewed. The sheer attractiveness of the device is enough to consider buying it. Also, it really feels nice in the hands. Those tapered edges on the back and the streamlined glass body make the Note even more comfortable to hold than ever before, even for smaller size hands. The amped up processing speeds, 5.7-inch Super AMOLED display, and the most incredible rear camera on this Android phone make it perfectly enjoyable to use. Add in that battery that can last 72 hours on standby, and you've built the device Android lovers have been longing for since the beginning of the smartphone era. Samsung has astounded us with this product, among others, and we give it the strongest recommendation we've offered. Want to learn more? Read our full review online. Thank you.